Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. Identify product A. Calcium carbide, CaC2, reacts with water, H2O, in a hydrolysis reaction to produce acetylene, ethine, HCCH, and calcium hydroxide. So A is equal to acetylene, HCCH. Moving on to the next step. Identify product B. When acetylene is passed over a red-hot copper tube or red-hot iron-copper catalyst at high temperature, it undergoes trimerization. 3 molecules of acetylene combine to form benzene, C6H6. This is the classic cyclic trimerization of acetylene. 3-HCCH C6H6 benzene. And for the final step, evaluate options. A. Toluene, C6H5CH3, would require a methyl group source, not formed here. B. Ethylbenzene, C6H5C2H5, requires additional carbon source, not formed here. C. Benzene, C6H6, correctly formed by trimerization of acetylene over red-hot Cu tube. D. Butane AC4 alkyne, not the product of acetylene trimerization. The trimerization of acetylene over a red-hot copper tube is a well-known reaction producing benzene. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.